Welcome to The Explainer. Today, we're tackling a super frustrating issue that I know so many of you have asked about. We're going to look at how to quickly and cleanly remove those pesky Google Flow watermarks. And honestly, the best part? We're looking at how to do it absolutely for free, and it literally just takes a matter of minutes.
Section 1. The watermark problem. Let's dive right into this.
So, picture this. You've just generated the perfect Google Flow video. The lighting, the motion, the pacing, it's just absolutely flawless. But then, there's a watermark, right there in the corner. It instantly distracts from your otherwise perfect creation, right? It's incredibly annoying to have this pristine piece of media totally ruined by a little logo.
And you know what makes it even more frustrating? According to our source tutorial from KStudio, this watermark shows up even though you're on a pro plan. Yeah, you heard that right. You'd naturally assume that paying for a premium subscription would just get rid of it. But it simply doesn't.
Well, I've got some excellent news for you. The solution is actually a piece of software called Shortcut. It's a completely free video editor that can be used specifically to target and just zap those watermarks away. You can fix this entire problem in under a few minutes without spending a single extra dime. A real game changer.
Moving on to Section 2, setting up Shortcut.
What's actually pretty wild is just how fast this setup is. Now, while Shortcut is technically a full, comprehensive video editor, for this explainer we're focusing purely on using it for watermark removal. So, step 1, you just head over to shortcut.org. Step 2, click Download and select your operating system. In the source tutorial, the creator goes with Windows. The download is going to start automatically in a few seconds. And finally, step 3, once that's done, just go ahead and install and open up the software.
Okay, so once you open Shortcut, you'll see the main interface. Getting initialized is seriously so simple. Step 1, create a new project. Step 2, select a folder on your computer where you want your work to be saved. And step 3, just type in your project name and hit Start. Boom! It takes literally seconds to get your workspace ready for the edit.
All right. Section 3. The Spot Remover Filter. This is where the magic happens.
First things first, you need to bring your clips into the software by clicking Open File. And actually, here's a massive time saver for you creators out there. You can import multiple clips at once. So if you've got more than one clip to clean up, the source tutorial highly recommends just bringing them all in together. For instance, the creator selects 3 clips at once in their demo. Then you just click and drag each clip right down onto your timeline. This is huge because it lets you remove every watermark in a single, highly efficient pass, rather than starting from scratch for every single video.
So, let's execute the actual edit. Step 1, select that very first clip you just dropped onto your timeline. Step 2, navigate over to the interface menu, click Filters, and then hit the little plus sign. Just 2 quick clicks, and you're perfectly set up for the specific tool we need to erase that branding.
Now for the absolutely crucial part. You're going to search for Spot Remover. Once you hit that plus sign in the Filters menu, just type that exact phrase right into the search bar. This specific filter, it's the absolute secret to solving this whole watermark problem. When you see Spot Remover pop up in those search results, go ahead and select it. Okay, so once you select the Spot Remover, you'll immediately see a rectangular box pop up on your video preview screen. You simply click and drag that box directly over the watermark sitting right there in the corner. And let me tell you, it is incredibly satisfying to do. The software automatically fades the watermark out. It basically just vanishes into the background. Now just remember, you do need to repeat this exact same process for every single clip you dragged onto your timeline.
Almost done. Section 4, exporting your clean video.
Just look at how close we are to the finished product. To get your polished video out of Shortcut, just follow these 3 quick final steps. Step 1, click Export, and then select Export Video/Audio. Step 2, choose the folder on your computer where you want the final video file to live. And Step 3, rename your file so you know for sure it's the clean version. And honestly, that is literally it.
And here we have it, the glorious result. A completely clean video with 0 watermarks. You've just taken a frustrating branded video from Google Flow and made it entirely your own, all for free. According to the source tutorial, this newly cleaned video can now be used for absolutely anything. In fact, the creator of the tutorial used this exact method to clean up a video where they showcased a talking avatar of themselves. The creative possibilities really just blow wide open once that visual distraction is out of the way.
So, I'll leave you with this thought to chew on. What will you create now that your videos are completely watermark free?
I really hope this explainer empowered you with a fast, completely free workflow using Shotcut to take full control back over your generated content. Go test this out for yourself, enjoy your unbranded footage, and as always, thanks so much